Hello guys, I am Fedits. Today I will teach the how to make quality CC like After Effects. Most demanding tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe and enjoy watching my full video and follow my all steps.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for